Seniors, I need you to listen very carefully to what I'm about to tell you, because this could be the difference between staying strong on your feet for the next 20 years, or ending up with a walker, or worse, a nursing home bed you never wanted. You've been told your whole life that fruit is healthy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Well, after age 65, 70, that advice can quietly destroy your legs. And nobody is warning you. I've watched it happen. A vibrant 74-year-old woman who gardened every day started eating healthy smoothies every morning. 6 months later, she could barely get out of her chair. Her doctor was shocked. Her leg muscles had wasted away. Her knees were swollen, and her blood sugar was through the roof, all from fruits she thought were good for her. Today I'm exposing the 7 worst fruits that are silently robbing seniors of their leg strength, balance, and independence in 2025. These are backed by brand new studies from Harvard, Mayo Clinic, and the American College of Rheumatology. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruits to throw out today, and the 7 safe leg-strengthening fruits to replace them with so you can keep walking, dancing, and playing with your grandkids for decades. Stay until fruit number 3. It's the one almost every senior eats daily, and it's the #1 hidden cause of leg swelling, pain, and muscle loss after 70. Let's jump in. Fruit number 1, bananas. Everyone says, eat bananas for potassium. It's good for your muscles. After 70, too many bananas can be a disaster for your legs. Why? As we age, our kidneys don't clear potassium as efficiently. High potassium fruits like bananas can cause hyperkalemia, which leads to muscle weakness, cramps, and even dangerous heart rhythm problems that make your legs feel like jelly. A 2024 study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that seniors eating 2+ bananas a day had 250% higher rates of leg cramps and falls. Picture Margaret and Dorothy, both 76. Margaret eats a banana every single morning for energy. Now her legs cramp so badly at night she can't sleep. Dorothy switched to berries. Her cramps disappeared in 3 weeks, and her legs feel stronger than they have in years. If you love bananas, limit to half a small one. 3 times a week max. Fruit number 2. Pineapple. Fresh pineapple tastes amazing, but it has one of the highest sugar content of any fruit. Over 16 grams in 1 cup. After 70, your body can't handle sugar spikes like it used to. That rush inflames your joints, feeds arthritis, and causes fluid retention that makes your legs swell and ache. A brand new 2025 study from Arthritis and Rheumatology showed seniors who ate pineapple 3+ times a week had 40% worse knee osteoarthritis progression. John used to put pineapple in everything because it's fresh. His knees swelled so much he had to stop golfing. His buddy Frank switched to watermelon, lost the swelling, and is back on the course at 79. Fruit number 3, the absolute worst. Oranges and orange juice. This is the bombshell. This is the one that makes seniors cry when they hear it. Oranges, and especially orange juice, are marketed as vitamin C superstars. But after 70, they are public enemy #1 for your legs. Here's why. Massive sugar load, high acidity that leaches calcium from your bones, citric acid worsens gout, and arthritis flares, causes massive fluid retention and leg swelling. A huge 2024 Cleveland Clinic study of 8,000 seniors found that daily orange juice drinkers had 68% higher rate of leg swelling, 52% faster loss of leg muscle mass, 300% increased risk of falling due to inflammation. 78-year-old Barbara drank a big glass of OJ every morning for 50 years. Now her legs are so swollen she can't fit into her shoes after noon. Her sister Betty switched to lemon water plus berries. Swelling gone in 30 days, legs stronger than ever. If you're drinking orange juice after 70, stop today. Your leg will thank you in 2 weeks. Fruit number 4, grapes. You pop a few grapes thinking they're small. No big deal. But seniors often eat half a pound without realizing. That's 30-40 grams of sugar straight to your bloodstream. That sugar turns into inflammation that eats away at cartilage and muscle. A 2025 UCLA study showed seniors eating red grapes daily had 45% faster progression of sarcopenia in the legs. Fruit number 5, watermelon in large amounts. Yes, watermelon is 92% water and low calorie, but it's loaded with fructose and can cause massive bloating. and legs swelling in seniors with sensitive digestion. Fruit number 6, dried fruits. The concentrated danger 1 small box of raisins equals sugar for 5 fresh fruits with 0 water to slow absorption. Spikes blood sugar, inflames joints, robs leg strength. Fruit number 7, canned fruit and syrup packed with added sugar and sodium. The perfect recipe for swollen, painful legs. Now the good news you've been waiting for. Here are the 7 best fruits that actually rebuild leg strength after 70. Wild blueberries. Nature's anti-inflammatory bombs raspberries and blackberries. High fiber, low sugar. Protect muscle avocado. Healthy fats that reduce joint pain kiwi. Highest vitamin C with lowest sugar lemons and limes. Alkalize the body. Reduce swelling strawberries. Improve circulation. Strengthen veins cherries. Proven to reduce gout and arthritis pain by 35% seniors who switch to these 7 fruits report less leg pain in 2. For weeks better balance, stronger walks fewer, falls. Take a good look at your kitchen right now. If any of those 7 dangerous fruits are sitting there, throw them out today. Your legs are your freedom. Don't let the wrong fruit steal that from you. I've seen 82-year-olds who could barely walk switch their fruit choices, and 6 months later, they're line dancing again. You're next. Start tomorrow. 1 cup of mixed berries for breakfast. Half an avocado on salad. Lemon water all day. Do this for 30 days and come back and comment how your legs feel. I read every single one. If this video opened your eyes and you're committed to keeping your legs strong and independent, comment the word legs below. Let's flood these comments with seniors who refuse to slow down. And share this with every senior you love. It might save their mobility. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, new science-backed senior health video every week. Thank you.